When it comes to enhancing the beauty, comfort, and functionality of your Orangeburg home, bow windows are a stunning option that can elevate both the interior and exterior appeal. These windows, characterized by their gentle curve and multi-panel design, offer panoramic views, an abundance of natural light, and a spacious feel to any room. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, choosing the right style of bow windows can significantly impact your home's overall aesthetic and performance. In this article, we'll explore the different styles of bow windows and guide you through how to choose the best one for your Orangeburg home. Understanding bow windows. Before diving into the different styles, it's important to understand what makes bow windows unique. Unlike bay windows, which typically feature 3 panels, bow windows consist of 4 or more panels that form a smooth, curved shape. This design creates an elegant, extended space in your home, bringing in more light and offering expansive views of the outdoors. Bow windows are often used in living rooms, dining rooms, and kitchens, and they can be installed in a variety of configurations depending on your home's needs. The flexibility in design allows homeowners to choose between different materials, window types, and finishes, making bow windows a versatile option for many home styles. Choosing the right number of panels. One of the first decisions you'll need to make when selecting bow windows is the number of panels you want. Typically, bow windows are made up of 4 to 6 panels, but depending on your space and preferences, you can choose a configuration that suits your needs. 4-panel bow windows. A 4-panel bow window is the most common choice and works well in medium to large spaces. It provides a classic curved look while still allowing for ample natural light. This configuration is ideal for creating a comfortable reading nook or breakfast area where you can enjoy the view outside. 5 or 6-panel bow windows. For larger rooms or if you want to create a more dramatic effect, 5-panel or 6-panel bow windows provide an expansive view and a larger curved area. These larger windows can give the room a more open and airy feeling, making it an ideal option for living rooms, master bedrooms, or any space where you want to create a sense of grandeur. The number of panels you choose will determine how much space is added to the room and the overall visual impact of the window. Selecting the right window type. Another important factor to consider when choosing bow windows is the type of windows that make up the individual panels. The type of window you select will affect the functionality, energy efficiency, and appearance of the bow window. Casement windows. Many bow windows feature casement windows, which are hinged on the side and open outward. This style is great for allowing maximum ventilation and air circulation. Casement windows are also known for their energy efficiency since they create a tight seal when closed, preventing air leaks. Double-hung windows. If you prefer a more traditional style, double-hung windows may be a good option. These windows allow both the top and bottom sashes to open, providing good airflow. However, they may not be as energy efficient as casement windows, and their operation may be less convenient for large bow windows. Picture windows. For larger bow windows, you might opt for picture windows in the center panels. Fixed picture windows allow for unobstructed views and maximum light, without the ability to open. This option is ideal if you want a sleek, clean look without compromising visibility. Awning windows. Awning windows are another option for bow windows. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward, allowing you to bring in fresh air while protecting the interior from rain. Awning windows work well for those looking for better ventilation and weather protection. Choosing the right window type depends on how you want the bow window to function in your home, whether for ventilation, privacy, or unobstructed views. Frame material and finish. The material of your bow window frame plays a critical role in both the durability and aesthetic appeal of the window. Different materials offer unique benefits, so it's important to select the one that best complements your home's design and your personal needs. Wood frames. Wood is a classic and elegant option, providing natural beauty and insulation. If you prefer a traditional look, wooden frames can be stained or painted to match your home's decor. However, wood requires more maintenance and can be prone to rot if not properly cared for. Vinyl frames. Vinyl is a low-maintenance option that is both durable and energy efficient. It is resistant to rot and fading, making it a great choice for homeowners who want an option that will last without the need for constant upkeep. Vinyl frames are also more affordable than wood or fiberglass options. Fiberglass frames. Fiberglass frames are highly durable and provide excellent energy efficiency. They are resistant to warping and shrinking and offer a sleek, modern look. Fiberglass is a good choice if you want the durability of wood but with lower maintenance. Aluminum frames. Aluminum is strong and lightweight, making it ideal for larger window configurations. While it offers modern appeal, aluminum frames may not provide as much insulation as wood or vinyl, so it's best to consider other materials if energy efficiency is a primary concern. Consider the exterior finish and color. The finish and color of your bow windows should complement the overall style of your home. Whether you choose a traditional wood finish, a sleek modern color, or a bold hue, make sure the window frames match the look and feel of your exterior. Lighter colors can make a room feel larger and brighter, while darker colors can add a more dramatic effect. Conclusion. Choosing the right bow windows for your Orangeburg home. Installing bow windows in your Orangeburg home is an investment that can enhance both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your space. By selecting the right number of panels, window type, frame material, and finish, you can create a stunning focal point that adds light, beauty, and value to your home. With careful consideration of these factors, you'll be able to choose the perfect bow window design for your home, offering improved comfort, increased energy efficiency, and an elevated aesthetic for years to come. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or building a new home, bow windows are a great option for anyone looking to improve their living space and enjoy breathtaking views.